Alright, we're back. As you can see, working on Tombstone, and we got an IV bag hanging off of the back of it. So hopefully we can get it started in this video. And I'm gonna finish getting the brake pedal set up. I gotta do a little bit of adjustment on that. I gotta put in a brass bushing and stuff like that. Get that mounted, get the gas pedal mounted up. So hopefully when we get fired up, it don't wanna drive off or anything crazy. I think I got enough fluids and everything in the power steering and all that stuff. I got the brakes and everything bled, so should be good there. So we're gonna get this brake pedal in there, get it done, get it complete. One more thing off the list and get the gas pedal done, and hopefully fire it up. So the thing is, look right there. That is a 9/16 hole. Neighbor's honking at me. And then you come right here. Oh, you can't even see it. Well, trust me, there's a 5/8 hole there. So what I'm gonna do, I have this 3/4 to 5/8 brass bushing. Picked up from TSC. So the bolt's gonna sandwich on the outside of that, and they'll slide through here, and this is what it's gonna basically pivot on, so to speak. And this will be the wear item instead of being hard metal on hard metal. You don't really want that. You want something softer so it can go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this drilled out, get this pressed in there, get it cut, and then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna cut this off, and I'm gonna cut this off. Get that cleaned up, get it ready, and then I got to mount in the brake light switch. So shouldn't be too hard, but I can get going on that. Cool. Alright. So as you can see, now we have this brass insert in there so the bolt go through. I might actually go find a longer bolt where I can have a shoulder on it. I had this one, but as you can tell, the shoulder isn't quite long enough. So if I get one that's long enough and the threads start there, I can cut the end, and then it would be a smooth shoulder. But for right now, to make sure everything works, that'll work just fine. So now I'm gonna get this stuff cut off, that, and then I also forgot I gotta move this over. I don't know if I'm gonna center it or if I'm gonna just flip it 180 from where it is. I think I'm just gonna flip it just so I know it's good. I don't know. That's not coming off. Alright. Had to get a sweater. I was getting cold. Texas is being super weird right now. But I got the brake pedal in. Show you what I did. So, can you see that? Yeah, it's in. See, I moved that. This is a tad bit crooked downward, but my foot don't care. My foot don't care. So, I gotta find the rubber pad for this. I lost it. Whatever I do with it, I don't know. So, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna run a prime on the fuel system a few times, try to get some air out of it. I've test ran the pump, and seems to be all right. Like I said, I got it set up on a IV bag right there. Looks pretty funny. So I'm gonna do a couple primes and cycles and stuff on it, and I'm gonna get this set up and I'm gonna give it a go. See if it'll fire up. Got faith in it, even though it's kind of cold outside and I'm gonna try to do it without ether, but I'm told the way these pumps work and get the air out that they should crack off. I got coolant in it. Well, I got distilled water, but kind of nervous, kind of putting it off. But we're gonna go for it. We're gonna see if she'll fire off here in a minute. Wish me luck. See if we can make this happen. Nobody else is in here, so if something goes wrong, it's gonna go wrong. But hopefully it fires up. Let it idle for a second, and then I'm gonna check the fluid transmission, make sure all that's good, because I don't want it to run too long with it low. I think I got enough in it to be okay, but here we go. Well, that was easy. Son of a gun. Well, wow. Kind of lost words on that one. Tombstone runs. Wow. I guess the next thing will be to move it outside. I'm just kind of, I'm in shock that it runs. Son of a bitch. Cool. Next thing would be let it run, let it warm up. Check the transmission fluid. I already bled the brakes, bleed out the power steering. I pushed the pedal, felt like it had brakes. So we'll have to see. Try it. I mean, it felt good, felt solid. Son of a bitch. Well, there you go. Tombstone runs. Who would have thought? We got this truck out of the woods, what? 7 months ago? Now it's running. I guess it's driving. I don't know. I haven't drove it. It's a running truck. We'll stick with a running truck. But there you go. Tombstone runs. So, figure fire up Tombstone again. I'm just excited. I can't help it. I'm excited. We'll start from the inside so you can check it out. Oh, see, I got this. See, this truck, this engine that Peterbilt that came out of, it didn't have a what do you call it? Shut off solenoid. It had a cable. So I was like, I'll just put a solenoid back on it, or on it. And I was walking around TSC, and I found this. It's upside down. Can't really help it, but it is what it is. It says pull to stop. So that's how you kill the engine. Pretty cool. Don't go stealing my truck now. It's my fail safe. Somebody can steal it. But it was making a lot of oil pressure. I don't know if that's normal, but yeah, it was making quite a bit of oil pressure. Not too sure what the deal is with that. It was making like 80 pounds of pressure, and I was told these are supposed to make 10 pounds for every 500 RPMs. So it's a little high. Might be because it's cold outside. Fresh oil, fresh filter, everything. I mean, like I said, that was first fire. I mean, I've cranked it over a few times just to make sure everything kind of goes through it. But yeah, we'll go ahead and fire it back up. Oh, did I show you all the blinkers and stuff? Check that out. Watch out. Oh, then the bright indicator. Brights. Anyways, we'll fire it up. See? Making a lot of oil pressure. Might have to address that. Might be something plugged up or something weird going on. The alternator, I don't have it grounded right now, so it's not working or hooked up to the battery, so to speak. It's running. Okay, mission controller. Green part. I got the safety neutral hooked up, so that's working. But I got a gas pedal. How you doing? Oh yeah. Now I'm excited. I need that bed. Watch out. Oh, I had to put in a 12 volt thing for my wife. She said she needed to charge her phone when she's cruising. Well, yeah. Man. That was almost too easy. Yeah. I'm kind of on the fence about that one. That was a little easy. That was a little easy. But yeah, there it is. Tombstone runs. On to the next. But it's getting late, so I'm gonna end this one off. I might sit out here in the truck for a little while because I'm excited. But there you go. Till next time.